Welcome back again. This tutorial I am going to show you how to recover deleted apps on your Android phone. Let's jump right in. First, take your phone, open the Google Play Store app and make sure you can log into your current account. After that, look at the top right corner. Here you can find your Google profile icon. Click on them. Then scroll down slowly. Go to the Manage Apps and Device option. Then click on the Manage option at the very top. After that, right now this phone is selected, this device, simply tap on it and select not install. After that, here you can see all of the previously deleted apps or game listed there. Simply find the exact app if you want to recover. For example, I am reinstall the One Weather app. Simply tap on it, then click on the download icon at the top right section and wait to complete the downloading process. And that's it, how you can easily recover deleted apps in your Android phone. Hopefully this guide will helpful. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like this video. Take care.